Hey guys, do you know that PS Vita emulator has just been released for Android? And I kept thinking if I can play it on TV or not. Today I'm gonna try it on NVIDIA SHIELD TV. And let's see what will happen. First visit its official website. Download Android APK. Download firmware file from Sony's website. Download font file from Sony's server. Copy all 3 files to USB drive. Now, let's install Sideload Buddy from Google Play Store. Press on voice button and say, Open Google Play Store.
Opening Google Play Store.
Sideload Buddy is a sideload apps launcher and APK installer. Use Sideload Buddy keyword to search. Open Sideload Buddy. Install emulator APK from USB drive. You need to use a mouse in this interface. Find the APK in USB disk and install it. Allow unknown source and retry installation. Open VITA3K emulator. A mouse is required to click these buttons. Install firmware and font you have prepared. Close message box and disable it. Create an user and enable auto login. Now it's ready to install game VPK or zip file. Note that you must obtain these games legally. For example, dumping it from your device. Before you start to play it, please note that a mouse is required to use the interface of this emulator. And an additional controller must be connected to Shield TV before you start the game. Because the Shield TV controller doesn't work with it, and if you don't have the additional controller, that may crash. After installation of few working games, if you quit to home screen, you can't find the emulator. Now you can start VITA3K from Sideload Buddy. Now I'm gonna test 3 working games. Please see the result yourself. Please remember to connect your additional controller before you start. And disable controller overlay as it's not necessary. My Shield TV is the 1st gen, so it's much slower than the newer ones. If you have the newer ones, it may perform better. We'll be happy to see if NVIDIA releases faster models in the future.
みんな待ってくれよ。
ダンディのグズ、ぼやぼやしてたら見つかって村長にまた
ランディ
村はこっち。
Dante.
I got a report that shots were fired by the river.
It was nothing.
I'm telling you, it was Drake. You tell your men to up their game or there's gonna be a lot less of them around come payday.
Son of a bitch. I'll see you in hell. Gotta get up there. Of course, that's easier said than done.
Drake's been spotted in the upper chamber. Kill him on sight. Dante's orders.
One of Dante's mercenaries. Bastards.
Come on!
Huh?